Alright, I'm happy to be unboxing the Shark Apex AX952. This is going to be the same as the Apex 951. Really the only differences with the machines is when you get into the Apex Speed, the orange one, the AX912. It is a smaller vacuum and it does have a smaller motor as well. Alright, so accessory bag, some quick start guides, and the first thing we see is the brush roll on the Apex. And the brush roll on the Apex is a little bit longer or a little bit wider than any other DuoClean, I believe. And it's pretty wide in general. The DuoClean, of course, has the two brush rolls that spin. The Apex also has this little, I don't know what you'd call it, felt that helps the suction there as well. Alright, moving on. Well, that's kind of nice. A little box for accessories. In this case, for a combo tool. This is an anti-allergen dust brush. So this is probably for maybe dusting blinds. I actually haven't seen this tool before. I know they make a similar one for dusting the tops of fans, but that really doesn't look like it would be for that. And then a combo tool, which is basically a crevice tool, and then it's got a little brush on there that you can slide up and use. And we've got the hose handle. The hose handle on the Apex is a little bit different than the Sharks before, where they had an adjustable suction that you kind of turned like this. With the new Sharks, you basically have three options: the hard floor, low pile carpets, and the high pile carpets where the suction is reduced automatically. The hoses on these newer DuoCleans seem so sturdy. They seem like they'll last forever. Alright, this is a pretty exciting tool here. And it is a little motorized brush. They're calling it Motorized Pet Tool. And so it's basically got its own motor here. And you can plug this up either to just the hose here or to the end of the extension wand. And it gives you a lot of power for stairs or wherever you want to go with it. So finally we have the meat of the issue here. This is, as you can see, the dustbin and motor assembly. Pretty big dustbin for Sharks. I don't remember the exact amount, but let's go ahead and get this all put together. We'll start off with the floor nozzle. And just connect. Let's start off with these newer ones. These can connect like that, but it's easier just to go ahead and do the extension one first because of the new powered lift-away feature. The dust cups attach just a little bit differently and more or less slide down the length of that hose. And make sure everything's locked. And then the final step here is to find these two little rods here, and we're going to connect those here. And there you have it.